Here's how to create Gamepass in Roblox. First of all, you need to go to roblox.com, log into your account, tap on the create option in the top of the screen that is between marketplace and the search icon. Go ahead and tap on that. From the left, tap on creations that is between home and learn. Now select experiences. In the left menu, scroll down and tap on monetization. From the drop-down menu that appears under monetization, you need to go ahead and tap on passes, that is below the developer products. Now you'll get the option of create a pass, which is highlighted in blue color. Go ahead and tap on that. Here you can add an image for your pass as well. Enter a name for your pass and optionally add a description. Then tap on create a pass option, which is highlighted in blue color. To put your game pass on sale, you need to click on the newly created pass from the list. Click on the sales option, which is below the basic settings in the left-hand side of the screen. Now toggle the option of item for sale and enter the default price. Also enable the regional pricing. Then tap on save changes in the bottom and you'll be done. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.